Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to easily create a course in Kajabi. First, log into your Kajabi account and head over to the Products tab. From there, you'll select New Product and then choose the Course Product option. This is your starting point for building engaging educational content. Next, you'll want to give your course a strong, memorable title and a concise description that clearly communicates its value to potential students. Once your course is titled, it's time to structure your content effectively. Think of your course as a roadmap, breaking it into 3 to 7 core modules or categories. Within each module, create focused lessons, ensuring each covers a single key concept. Kajabi allows you to upload diverse content, including videos, audio, text, and downloadable files. You can also enhance learning by adding quizzes or assessments to test your students' knowledge. Now, let's make your course visually appealing and ready for sales. Customize the look and feel by choosing your brand colors, fonts, and adding a banner image. Don't forget to upload a clear thumbnail image. It's the first thing students see in their library. Kajabi offers flexible pricing options, a one-time payment, multiple payments, or a subscription model. You can easily connect payment processors like Stripe or PayPal to securely handle transactions. Before going live, thoroughly preview your course to ensure everything functions perfectly. Kajabi provides robust marketing tools, including customizable landing pages and email campaigns, to help you promote your offering. Take advantage of features like community access groups for student engagement and automations to streamline workflows. Remember, your course will evolve. Continuously update and refine it based on feedback to provide the best possible learning experience for your students.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.